How to fix the PC must support TPM 2.0 and secure boot when installing Windows 11 update in VMware Workstation. Warning, this possible fix would lead to your VMware station not starting, in our cases. Sorry, but we do not have much time to test and configure our machine. To fix this Windows 11 update installation error, try these steps. 1. Close that error box. Then wait for that error window to disappear automatically. 2. Save your work and shut down your Windows 11 system in VMware Workstation. 3. Hit the Edit Virtual Machine settings. 4. Go to the Options tab. 5. Enter the Advanced, Default/Default, section. Now, check the UEFI option and choose Enable Secure Boot sub-option. 6. Press the OK button to save the changes you made. Reboot your Windows 11 VM.